Hi, it's time for trucks. Today I'm above the M5 near Gordano services. Let's see what trucks we can spot. Yes, I forgot my hat. I left the other one at home. Here he comes. Look, there he is. That's one. Here he is. Excellent. I say that was worth it. Look at that, BRISTOL. Oh, there's some Lush trucks coming over there. Look at that. Look at that. Grassmen. Look at the Grassmen trucks there. Look. RJM. Beep beep. There's a Shipley coming down. Yes, the Flash. And a Morris Hill. Ideal. We're coming down here, that's cool. We'll get that. Yes, the Tones. And a nice Flash as well. There's a Pentons there. There's a nice SAS Logistics coming behind that green Scania. A log carrier. Look at that, that's cool, we like that. Yes. Look at this stuff. Broughton. Nice. Justin just got a picture. Look at her. Yes, the Flash. I like the little wave. Hello. Nice looking R&B. Look at this coming down. Yeah. FG Bond. Yeah. Nice little Flash from the R&B as well. Oh, look at this Wayne's coming down here. Is that Stone? Yes, it is. Stone. Is it truck right? It is truck right. Nice. Nice. It's all Grassmen. Oh, Tones from the JDT. Oh, he's got the same trailer. There's an AJ Autos there. And a cane. We like the cane. That looked cool, we had a dumper on the back.